I want to show you guys something that I just got, and the reason is because I'm using a test bench here, and I only have one Type C on the system itself, but I ended up buying this extended converter to Type C, from USB to Type C. Of course, it's going to be a 2.0. I don't think it's going to be 3. Also included the base itself. You can set it up as PCI ports if you can, you know. So they give you this option here. But right now, we're just going to plug it into our USB, and it's a USB. It has a 10-pin connection, if you guys can see, for USB. And of course, when the USB is not plugged in, and it's going to be, it doesn't show you this. Unfortunately, this one doesn't block it out, but you can see it from the top. So you're gonna have to figure out that one. We have our USB right here that we're gonna plug it in, and let's go and plug this guy in right now to see if we could get it to work. So we just end up plugging it in. Let's zoom out. Let's turn this guy on, and of course they give you the little screws. I forgot to mention, they give you the screws for the actual base. All right, so you could use this external. So we're gonna set this up right now and get it working. This is a great option. This could be card reader here, or set it up for if you're building your own desktop case. This would be a great option. All right, so I installed the USB, and I did it 2 different ways, so you guys can see. I actually flipped it too, also, just in case I was making a mistake. It can't read. If you guys notice on my right hand side on the top, it's unknown. I tried downloading drivers. It's not picking up. My theory is, I'm going to take it off right now so you guys can see that. I'm going to just remove it out of here on the live here. Let me remove it. So there it goes. It's off. If you guys can notice, I'm going to show you guys the pins. The pins are incorrect. Look at this. They're incorrect. And the USB is not like that. When you actually connect the USB, it's nothing like what it's supposed to be at. So this... don't buy this, avoid this kind of connection. I mean, I tried 2 different ways, one way or another. I rebooted, I did everything I can, and it still wouldn't come up. So it's gonna have to go back. Cancel your orders if you have this, if you order this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The pins are one side only, if you guys can see that. You can see through. So I think it was done incorrectly. I don't think it was punched out right. I'm not going to waste my time doing it, taking them off and replacing them. I'm just going to return this one and maybe do my own, because this is unacceptable. I mean, you can create your own. Just get a USB, connect it to the one of these modules and punch it down yourself, or recycle it. So maybe on the next video we could create one.